This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model S door panel. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a 10mm socket with an extension, and a T30 Torx screwdriver. Begin by opening the door and lowering the window completely. This provides better access and helps prevent any accidental damage during the process. Next, locate and gently remove the small rubber covering positioned above the 10mm bolt. Now that we have prepared, let's move on to removing the hidden fasteners. Use your 10mm socket with an extension to carefully remove the bolt you just uncovered. Next, locate the plastic covering situated directly under the interior door handle. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry this piece off to expose two T30 Torx screws. Proceed to remove both of these screws, as they are crucial for detaching the panel. With the fasteners removed, it's time to detach the main panel body. Start by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the clips. Once the clips are loose, use both hands to pull the panel straight out from the door. This technique helps prevent breaking any of the plastic pegs. As the panel comes free, support it with your knee to ease the process of disconnecting the electrical connectors and the mechanical door handle cable. Finally, ensure all electrical connectors and the door handle cable are fully disconnected from the panel. Before reinstallation, take a moment to inspect all the clips on the door panel. Replace any that appear broken to ensure a secure fit. When ready to reinstall, carefully align the panel, reconnect all the cables, and then firmly push the panel back into its original position until all clips snap into place. You've successfully removed and reinstalled your door panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.